It's a new day, a new dawn, and a new life. How much profit will your business make today? Will you find the partner you've been looking for years? Or the whole world will be watching your YouTube channel today? What's your health going to be like? If you have a question, then we have an answer. To know how your day is going to be like, be sure to stay with us and don't forget to share this video so that your friends and family can also know about their day. Namaste and hello, welcome to the Astro Yogi YouTube channel. I'm Gagan Minocha presenting you to the Astro Yogi Daily Horoscope. Let's start with the first zodiac sign, Aries. The symbol of Aries is ram, which is known for its fearlessness and courage. According to the zodiac sign, Aries people are known to live their lives on their own terms. They don't like any compromises with their ideology. Aries people are beautiful and attractive since they are young. Creativity is in their blood. Being strong or powerful are few of their qualities. Let's check out the day for Aries.
Aries. Overview. Today you may find yourself extending help to those around you with no selfish motive whatsoever other than the good feeling it gives you. Relationships will be very high on your list of priorities today, whether with those close to you or with those unknown to you previously. You will enjoy the feeling of bonding that you get when you are with your loved ones today. Aries. Romance. The prospects for marriage look up now as the confusion you have been going through recently with regards to your choice of partner will become clear to you. Do not go by looks, as looks can be deceiving. Someone who may not be good looking in the conventional sense but is a warm and loving person will be the right choice as partner. This person is also sure to pursue you. Aries. Career. An overseas career or an academic institution is playing on your mind today. Consider it as you are mulling this option over for good reason. Options chosen today regarding overseas opportunities would bring you joy in the long run. If you have already applied, you may receive some good news from overseas today. Great job. Aries. Finance. Good profits accrue from foreign transactions or joint ventures. If you are looking at a partnership with another party, especially one from abroad, this would be a good time to proceed with the discussions. People engaged in travel may need to keep pace with sudden changes, though there will be some good developments that come out of your trip. You may land a new account that will bring financial developments to your organization. Aries. Health. Concentrate on the road or just stay completely away from driving for a day or so.
The Taurus sign is represented by bull. The bull is hardworking and brave by nature. Usually the bull is calm, but it also takes a fierce form if it gets angry. The same nature is seen in Taurus people as well. People of strong and compatible characteristics are mostly Taurus. They can be gentle, but that doesn't mean they should be teased or provoked. Let's check out the day for Taurus.
Taurus. Overview. Today you may reflect back on a helping hand that a friend or a family member extended to you recently. Make sure to show them how much you appreciate their help and support and tell them that you would always do the same in return. Pay the good deed forward by helping out someone else in need. Taurus. Romance. If you recently found a partner online, chances are that you have been chatting and flirting sight unseen much more than you would have liked. Today is a day when you would likely meet this person for the first time, and the meeting will be fruitful. Some sparks will fly, but make sure they were being honest in their profile before you go too far. Taurus. Career. Beware of unnecessary squabbles with anyone today, as there is an indication that tensions may abound. Intense competition may make you somewhat edgy. Don't jeopardize your own peace of mind unnecessarily. Keep your eye on the long-term need to maintain low stress levels for the benefit of your health. Maintain a calm demeanor. Taurus. Finance. Today will be lucrative for you in the realm of your work if you want to expand your business. Advertising will be the key to your growth and success, so maximize your visibility in the public realm and you will be able to reach a whole new base of customers. Today is the time to launch your campaign, so don't let this opportunity pass you by. Taurus. Health. Today you will actually avoid all major hurdles and struggles on the health front.
Gemini's symbol is twin, which makes it clear that the people of this zodiac sign are attractive and very friendly. People of Gemini are born intelligent and independent. They don't need anyone to do their work. People of this zodiac sign are sweet and short tempered at the same time. They tend to get angry very quickly. Let's check out the day for Gemini.
Gemini. Overview. You may be coming down today from a recent spate of frustrations and difficulties, so take the day to rest and relax. Your current hurdles will be resolved in the long run, so don't put too much energy into them. Keep your temper in check and resolve issues to the mutual benefit of those involved. Spend some special time with your friends and family today and feel that tension melt away. Gemini. Romance. You will find today to be a loving and romantic day, and your relationship will have a serene quality to it. Definitely take time today to whisper sweet nothings into your partner's ear and hear those sweet words spoken back to you. Reflect upon the state of your relationship and appreciate how far you've come. Gemini. Career. Don't be afraid to take the advice of a friend on a career option you have been considering lately. They will guide you wisely and will have your best interests at heart. You can go forward with this investment as it is likely to pay off lucratively in the end. Gemini. Finance. If you applied for a bank loan recently, today you may receive positive news on that front. Though it may have taken a long time to come through, keeping the faith has served you well, as finally your patience should pay off. Use the funds wisely, however, as it is important that the benefit they give you is not quickly lost. Also make sure that you are not borrowing more money than you are sure you can pay back. Gemini. Health. If you have a tendency of blood pressure related issues, you will find today that the problem is somewhat eased.
The symbol of Cancer zodiac sign is crab. Hence, the Cancerians are filled with sentimentality, versatility, and coolness. People of Cancer zodiac sign are often very caring to their close ones. Let's check out the day for Cancerians.
Cancer. Overview. You finally make peace with someone you have been in dispute with for some time now. A personal dispute is finally going to be settled, and this will bring you the calm and peace you had been searching for. This family conflict may have been a source of anxiety for you and will now be settled for good. Every party involved in the dispute will be satisfied with the verdict. Cancer. Romance. Singles today may find that they have various suitors to choose from and that they enjoy watching these poor souls jockeying for position. Enjoy the attention today, but don't play with anyone's heart. Flirting is fine, but don't be cruel. Otherwise, you might lose some of that charm that attracted them to you in the first place. Cancer. Career. Those of you who are self-employed get an opportunity to begin something overseas, which could be export related. This will be an exciting opportunity that you should not miss. You may find yourself dissatisfied if you are transferred to a place that is not to your liking. Cancer. Finance. Today you will see that some of the good you have done for others comes back to you in positive financial ways. Your donations will give you tax rebates, and some favors you did for others will get you helpful favors in return. Today you learn the lesson of what goes around comes around, but you learn that it applies to positive actions as well. Cancer. Health. Today, if you are planning to join a gym for attaining a robust physique, don't forget to take the physician's opinion.
The Leo zodiac sign symbol is lion, which sometimes roars, sometimes becomes a hunter, and sometimes silently keeps an eye on things happening around. Leo zodiac signs are very daring. They have the zeal to do something different or big in their life. Leos have a live life king size thinking, and they have a personality that can influence people. Let's check out the day for Leos.
Leo. Overview. You will spend a very satisfactory day at home. How many days have just flown past without you having a chance to realize how important your family life is? You will feel relaxed within your home environment and may not even feel the need to go outside to have a good time. Leo. Romance. If you are married or in a committed relationship, you may find that today you venture out on a short trip together. This will give you some time to relax and spend time alone together. This will be a time of much joy and silliness, so keep the camera handy Journal your experiences so that you can laugh about them well into the future. Leo, career. You may have been facing some problems in business and may consider a partnership venture as an alternative. While you may feel confused about whether to go forward, you need not be, as a partnership will work for your benefit. You actually stand to make a lot of money if you work in tandem with your domestic partner. Working together is not everyone's cup of tea, but the two of you will manage beautifully with one another. Leo, finance. If you have been looking for ways to increase your profits, then today is a day to pour in all your efforts as developments on this front are indicated. Consider all available options as the perfect plan might be slightly hard to figure out at this time. Don't give up. You will be able to drive up profits with the right amount of time and effort. Leo, health. A little effort on your part would be needed to keep yourself happy.
The symbol of Virgo zodiac sign is a girl with the flower in her hand. According to the symbol of Virgo, it is a girl who represents humanity. That is why Virgo natives are always ready to help people selflessly. People with the perfectionist personalities like film star Amir Khan are of Virgo zodiac. They also tend to make too many issues out of a small problem. Virgo is also considered to be the most beautiful zodiac. And let's check out the day for Virgo.
Virgo, overview. Today will be a nice day for your family as you will all be inclined to spend time together. Family togetherness is strongly indicated at this time. Perhaps you wander around the mall or go see a movie together, but you will probably just want to be in each other's company. Use today to show children how much the family unit means in life. Virgo, romance. Today make sure you take time out for a date with your partner. Those in a committed relationship will enjoy domestic bliss and harmony. This will be the perfect time to show your partner your romantic side. If you are married, why not go out on a date with your partner like you used to so long ago? Virgo, career. If you work in the media industry or want to be on TV, or even if you have been eyeing that industry for a while, today is a day when you may get the opportunity you have been looking for. Look and act your best, as people may be watching you today and will decide whether to give you a chance. All the best. Virgo, finance. Today look after the finances of those who rely on you for money, including children and parents. Make sure you are putting enough funds away for your children's education and your parents' retirement. This is a big responsibility, but you should start on these matters today nonetheless. Putting it off will only increase your stress about finances. Virgo, health. The good news for you today is that you will be successful in recovering from a backache or neck pain.
The Libra sign symbol is the scales, and this zodiac sign is considered completely different from all other zodiac signs. People of Libra zodiac signs are fond of beautiful things in life. Getting along with everyone is the net-worthy quality of people with the Libra zodiac sign. Nobody is as good as Librans in controlling their anger. People of Libra cannot work alone. They can achieve milestones if they can find a good partner. Let's check out the day for Libra.
Libra, overview. A family member may bring you good news today. Good news brought to you by another is indicated today. In turn, you can expect the general atmosphere around you to be positive today. This will be your chance to give back to those who always support you by sharing in their special moment. Be generous with your praise and love today so that others in your life may feel special. Libra, romance. Your relationship with your partner today is harmonious for those in a committed relationship. Those of you who begin a relationship today will find that it will turn into something long-lasting and very beautiful. You may receive a gift from your partner today that will be long remembered or for a very special occasion. Libra, career. Use your knowledge and intellect to further your career. You should trust your own instincts and your own business decisions today, as your judgment is on the right track. Your intuition, knowledge and business acumen will take you quite far, so do not count out what your inner voice is telling you. Go with it and the planets are pushing you forward. Libra, finance. Today you find that you don't want to see your money wandering too far from home, and you want your money spent on things that will bring you and your family immediate benefit. This may mean that you invest in some new decorations for the home, or you splurge on a fancy dinner for your extended family. But either way, your loved ones will benefit the most from your generosity today. Libra, health. The goal for the day today is exercise. It is indicated that you are in need of physical exercise.
The symbol of Scorpio is scorpion. People of this zodiac sign are known to speak calmly and politely. Scorpio people are very calm-natured as well as very gentle-hearted people. Scorpio-born people like to keep their feelings hidden. They are also highly ambitious about their goals and they flare up on small matters which can cause damage to them. Let's check out the day for Scorpio.
Scorpio, overview. Today you may find yourself seriously considering taking up a new hobby. This could be anything from playing chess to skydiving. The point is to bring about a change in your routine and provide some fun for you during your downtime. Whatever it is that strikes your fancy today, go for it. You won't regret it. Scorpio, romance. This will be a spicy and exciting day as your partner reciprocates your appetite for pleasures of the sensual kind. You should steal a little time away from the stresses of daily life just to spend some of it with each other, and it will really rekindle your passion. Your physical relationship has never been better and you enjoy what you have together. Scorpio, career. Today you will find that you are inclined to consult a career advisor to gain a new and better perspective. This is a wise decision on your part because your professional planning has fallen by the wayside as of late. Use today to get yourself back on track. Scorpio, finance. Today you should guard yourself against signing any new agreements. It would be in your interest to have a legal professional assess the agreement before you put your name on it. If you sign an agreement today without knowing fully what you're getting into, you will likely find that you regret it in the future. Scorpio, health. You are feeling hale and healthy as you have been reasonably well focused on healthy eating habits recently.
The Sagittarius sign is represented by the symbol of half human and half horse, whose lower part is of a horse and the upper part is of a human and has a bow and an arrow in his hand. This shows that the Sagittarius are the human beings of spiritual nature. You will mostly find big-hearted people from the Sagittarius sign, and they are also very intelligent and trustworthy. Let's check out the day for Sagittarius.
Sagittarius, overview. You find that your self-confidence will be on the rise today. Use it to your advantage. You will surely be in a position to impress those around you with your positive attitude and self-assurance. You may find that someone you meet today is impressed enough with you to offer you an opportunity that you won't want to pass up. Sagittarius, romance. Today you will feel like chucking aside all your responsibilities and just spending some romantic time with your partner. You may feel like seeing an afternoon movie, going for a drive out of town, or having a romantic dinner. Anything to get away from the daily routine. Though normally you can't play hooky from life like this, you can make an exception for today in order to blow off steam and reconnect with your loved one. Sagittarius, career. A positive attitude and excellent communication and interpersonal skills will take your career to new heights. This will help you achieve your long-term goals and will also provide monetary rewards over the years. Excellent organizational skills will only make you more valuable to your employer. Daring to dream and infusing new ideas into your work will allow you to take your career to any level you desire. Sagittarius, finance. Gains are directly linked to your efforts and you will make a lot of money. If you want to try your luck on the market today, you are likely to see some nice short-term gains. If you are working in a company, you will find that your hard work leads to a productivity bonus. On the whole today, you will find the size of your gains to be correlated with the amount of work you put into your financial sector. Sagittarius, health. Today you will feel remarkably stress-free and energetic, which has come as a most welcome surprise.
The Capricorn is the sign of sea god. One part of its body is earthly, while the other half depicts the tail of aquatic creature like crocodile or fish. People of Capricorns are deep thinkers. Their personality is quite entertaining. Multitasking is just like a cakewalk for them. Let's check out the day for Capricorns.
Capricorn, overview. You may be undergoing a great deal of stress and need to speak to a friend. Open up to this close friend. Don't hesitate. Pour your heart out. Pouring your heart out will help you in more ways and more deeply than you can anticipate. Capricorn, romance. Today is the day of surprises for those in romantic relationships. You will be trying to surprise your partner, and your partner will be trying to do the same for you. Be extravagant today with your display of love and affection, and you will see the same come back to you in many heartwarming ways. You two will share a great evening together. Capricorn, career. Make sure you use your professional expertise to remove the obstacles which come in the way of your progress. A little effort could resolve the problem once and for all. Use perseverance to get ahead today, and don't let small hurdles get you down. Everyone encounters problems at some point or another, but the most successful people only let those problems spur them on. Capricorn, finance. Today will find you wanting to try a new method of investing, maybe even doing some day trading of stocks online. Today is a good day for experimenting, but do make sure that you know what you are doing. Take calculated risks today, and you will find that some of your choices are sure to bring you a financial reward. Capricorn, health. You are feeling fit and fine both physically and emotionally today, so this is a time of bounty for you.
The sign of Aquarius is pitcher. People born in Aquarius sign have a passion for doing anything for the love of humankind and the betterment of society. But at the same time, they also become calm and isolated and avoid any emotional attachment during this time. People of strong and quite attractive character are often of Aquarius sign, and they never run towards the crowd. People of Aquarius sign make friends very quickly. Let's check out the day for Aquarius.
Aquarius, overview. Your relationship with a close relative takes a turn for the worse today. Do your bit in trying to make things better. To begin with, keep a strict check on the words that first come to your mind. Communication helps, always. However, if you feel things have gone beyond your control, it's best to take a step back and allow others to realize where the fault lies. Aquarius, romance. Today you will be put in a position in which it will make more sense to compromise with your partner over something than to dig your heels in and stand your ground. This will likely be over a relatively small issue that is more important to your partner than to you. Choose your battles today and try to keep the peace overall. Aquarius, career. Your team members and colleagues will be essential in helping you succeed today. You will get timely support from your colleagues that will prevent problems from occurring at work. Therefore, it would be in your interest to keep this team spirit going in order to achieve the organization's higher goals. Unilateral decision making at work would invite the frustration of your colleagues. It would therefore be in everybody's interest to have a discussion before taking any major decisions. Aquarius, finance. A property dispute is likely today, so some recent arguments in regard to property may take a legal turn. You will need to be on your guard. Try to keep the big picture in perspective and follow what your intuition tells you is right. The matter will work out in the end if you try to resolve it amicably. Aquarius, health. Diabetic patients will have to pay a little more attention to their ailment today.
Pisces sign is the fish. Like fish, calm Pisceans are also very gentle and kind. Pisces people have very sympathetic nature, due to which people like them a lot. Pisces born people do not like any restrictions. They understand the situation very easily and they can work towards it very well. These people are quite honest and kind-hearted. Let's check out the day for Pisces.
Pisces, overview. Today you will be looking your best and those around you are sure to notice. Indulge yourself in this respect. Adorn your favorite outfit and some special accessories and you will be feeling like all eyes are on you. A healthy self-esteem brings out a healthy glow in the skin, so remind yourself of all your wonderful qualities. Pisces, romance. Chances of a friendship taking the shape of a romantic relationship today are high. However, there is a need to understand the feelings of the other person to enable yourself to make the right moves. The onus of making it a success and keeping it enjoyable lies on both of you. Be very clear and open about what you both want. Pisces, career. Today will be a good day for your career development. If you are a writer or a journalist, you may find that your phone is ringing off the hook with new potential assignments. Put in the extra hours needed today to maximize your chances of landing all these new accounts. Work hard and you will see great benefits. Pisces, finance. Material goods are likely to get broken today, so avoid making expensive purchases. Be gentle with your things as you can avoid this situation by just showing a little extra attention and care to the things you handle. However, some electronic items may go haywire. Pisces, health. Be on your guard today that some increased stress levels don't aggravate your blood pressure excessively.
So what did your horoscope say today? Tell us in the comment box below. Want to get more insight on what's in store for you? Or want to get a peek into the future? Fret not. You can now connect with India's best astrologers for a resolution to all your queries. So what are you waiting for? Visit www.astroyogi.com or you can download the app now. The link will be in the description below. Till then, keep watching Astro Yogi YouTube channel for more such updates. And don't forget to subscribe the channel as we will bring you some amazing content and unfurl the mysteries of universe. Namaste.
Astro Yogi, India's #1 live astrology app.